Hey everybody, how's it going? Hate that section of road. Hope everybody's doing good. I just wanted to do a quick first ride / demo of the new GoPro. I used it last night at the beach to do a time lapse. Worked pretty well, so now I want to see what it looks like on the bike. Just to reiterate, based on my last video, I'm still using the same microphone setup, which is a Purple Panda microphone that I got from Amazon, and the media mod that's made for the 9 or 10 GoPro Black. I have the 10 Black, obviously. So looks pretty good based on what I saw at the beach. I'm using the vibrant color profile or profile. I don't know what they refer to it as, but because I like more saturated colors myself. Hopefully it's capturing the sun very well right now, hopefully. But yeah, first reviews of this thing are pretty good compared to, or first impressions rather I should say, of this thing compared to my GoPro 8. Batteries are a little beefier, a little bigger. I actually put the 8 battery inside just to see, and it was visibly loose, like, probably, I don't know, 1/4 inch on each side. So it's definitely, my screen light. See how it captures the sound out of the mic. Gave a little bit of wide open throttle there. But yeah, so batteries are bigger. I think they're like 300 or 400 mAh bigger. So that should mean it should last longer in theory, but the camera itself probably eats a little more power, so maybe not. Camera is slightly bulkier, but I don't feel anything different on my helmet as far as like weight at the front of my face compared to the 8. So all in all, I'm impressed. Obviously this camera has a covering on the the front lens, so it should, if you ever ride in the rain or anything like that, it should do pretty well in that scenario. I don't know how well it will do against like dirty water, like spray from cars. Maybe it's only like ocean or lake water that it'll do pretty good in, but I don't try to ride in the rain anyway. Although last ride my wife and I, by the way, she's on the back, can't really see her. The last ride we had, we were like 2 minutes from the house, and we got Florida. If you guys aren't familiar with Florida, it can be raining on that street right there and not raining right here. So we're about 2 minutes from the house, and it just like a wall of just downpour. We got drenched. But yeah, so the GoPro is supposed to do a better job of keeping the lens clean from water, so you can actually see stuff instead of having like just big drops on it. Don't go. Good. What else? Screen is definitely more responsive. I did actually just install the tempered glass protectors from Amazon that I got the other day. The front screens are okay. The back screen, it's not sitting perfectly. Like it's not bubbles. It's like actually entire corners aren't sitting well. So I think it might be just a cheap screen or something. But even through the tempered glass screens, the touch is better than the market improvement over the 8. I struggled a lot with opening the menus on the 8 personally. But and then the last thing that I really like, which I don't know if I can show you right now, even though my gloves are supposed to be smartphone like capable, I can't never really get into work. But let me see if I can do it once I merge into traffic here. Actually, I'll do it right here. Okay, it's not working. Basically, when the screen is on, because right now it's gone into like conservation mode, the front screen, as you probably are aware, actually shows you kind of what, a selfie view. So if you're ever unsure if your camera's recording or whatever, or what the setting is, you don't have to, like, for me, the way my camera sits on my helmet is I can actually see probably 80% of the screen. So it's really convenient. But I know some of you guys have yours mounted on your chin and it's low and you can't see anything. So for those situations, just looking in your mirror, as long as the screen is not dark like it is right now, you should be able to tell if you're, one, recording, two, and in what mode you're recording in. So so that's a really convenient feature too. And why did my Senna just start pairing? Interesting. But yeah, so my wife and I we're gonna go downtown and just do a loop and come back. So I'm gonna stop talking now and just let you guys kind of enjoy the Tampa traffic. Hopefully once we get downtown it'll be a little less traffic, but I just wanted to basically see the colors, whether it's direct sunlight like right it is right now, shade like it is right now, once we get downtown and maybe the street lights are on, kind of give you guys a taste of what it's like, at least in the evening time. Alright, so enjoy.